Asante Chairman. Your Excellency, when we communicated the Public Service Board, we did it through our County Secretary who sits in your office. And I want to take this opportunity to welcome our County Secretary, to welcome the Chairman of the Board to speak to us.
Thank you, County Executive Committee member who has been also overseeing the event as the Master of Ceremony. My name is Umbasa Robert, the Acting County Secretary. And Your Excellency, today is a big day. I know that these teachers here, the Ecde teachers, have had a long journey. I've been around. I know they have been working in the office of the governor so that they are taken in as permanent and pensionable. As one of the speakers has said here, we want to thank you because you have made them realize their dreams. Being taken as a permanent and pensionable teacher is, I think, one of the things that was in their mind, and we have made them realize this. As our CEC education has said, there has been a series of correspondence between the County Secretary's office and that of the County Public Service Board. And I want to assure you, Your Excellency, that the County Public Service Board, since you gave the direction, has worked tirelessly to ensure that this day comes when these teachers are given their permanent and pensionable appointment. So I want to thank them so much. I also want to thank the teachers themselves for their patience. That wanasema mvumilivu hufanya nini? Mvumilivu hula mbivu. Kwa hivyo leo nafikiri mtakula mbivu na Mungu azidi kuwabariki. So with that, I want to welcome the Chairman, County Public Service Board, who will give his remarks and also introduce his commissioners and the board. Asante.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, members of the County Assembly, partners and stakeholders present, CECs present, chief officers and staff, and distinguished teachers, hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. It was not my wish, it was because of these honorable teachers. Thank you. Your Excellency, allow me to introduce my board members so that they are also known to the team and the teachers, because they did a lot of work during this process. Remember, Your Excellency, we had just a month and we said in January. I guess today is January. Thank you. Thank you. Rise up, commissioners. Kindly rise up. This lady here, anaitwa Madam Victoria Masese, the Vice Chair from South Mugirango. Mugirango muko? Muko wapi? Asante. Next to her is Dr. Silas Ayunga, representing Bomachoge. Bomachoge muko? Thank you. This gentleman is called Kefa Mokua, representing persons living with disabilities. Akitoa hivi tuwezi sikia. So those of you that category are covered, anaitwa Kefa Mokua, representing Kitutu. Kitutu muko? Kitutu muko wapi? Thank you. This tall man, Jared Omolo, representing Bonchari. This lady, anaitwa Madam Jane Nabuto, representing Bobasi. Bobasi muko? Thank you. My name is Elijah Obedo, representing the entire county, but I come from Nyaribari. Nyaribari muko wapi? Thank you. Your Excellency, I take this opportunity first of all to thank all of you for making it to this place, to actually witness history in the making. As a board, Your Excellency, we are proud to be part of this history. Your Excellency, the teachers appeared before us, and I want to confirm that we found them well-trained, well-educated, and experienced. Your Excellency, you have the details, which will tell them later, and in front of you here, you see so many big envelopes, really Kisii County government. I don't need to say more. Your Excellency, we want to appreciate that as a board, we got ample time. We did that which we are supposed to do. Your Excellency, there are those we didn't qualify. They had integrity issues, so we were very thorough. Lastly, Your Excellency, I want to appreciate you for initiating this process that has culminated into this exercise that we are about to commence doing giving the letters. Your Excellency, I know you have the interests of the teachers at heart and also the entire government. Since we have finalized issues of EC teachers, Your Excellency, we will quickly embark on all other pending issues across departments of government so that the ship stabilizes. Your Excellency, now that the teachers will be translated into permanent and pensionable, that calls for bigger responsibilities from new teachers. To whom much is given, much is expected. Tuko pamoja? So the hard work begins. My request to you is to better your best. Before I forget this, allow me to say now, you are no longer a teacher at that place where you have been. You will be now transferable, and all matters related to that will be handled by the Minister for Education. Kwa hivyo ukisukuma kidogo usilie sana. Because as we said, to whom much is given, much is expected. Your Excellency, without wasting more time, allow me to leave there, and thank you one more time for allowing us to do the job. All is well, na mbele iko sawa. Ayawi, msema kesho ni Mungu. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, now it's my singular duty, with your indulgence, and I guess the DJ is ready. DJ, I guess you are ready. Gavana wetu si hapo ndani hapa, si hapo sawa, si mambo ya barabara. Ni wangapi wako ndani? Wapi nilemona? I take this opportunity to request you to kindly come and address your people and give them the good news they have been waiting for.
Haya, tuketi tafadhali. Haya, before I say the things that have been given here to just mention, I want us to observe 1 minute. Tutasimama will observe 1 minute kwa sababu of the girls who lost their lives, who had come out of class here at the stadium and were involved in an accident at Daraja Moja. Young girls, one of them had a B class, was joining the university from very humble background. I would have requested kila mtu asimame. We observe 1 minute of silence. Aye, asante, tuketi. The chairman, County Public Service Board, Chairperson Education Committee, the Assembly, Honorable MCAs, officers from the NAT, Chair and your team, representatives from the banks, County Pension Fund, LAB Fund, and the cycles, CCMs, chief officers, directors, and staffs, our ECD teachers, ladies and gentlemen, walimu hoye, walimu hoye, hebu nione namna hii. Asante. This is an important day when we are witnessing the transition of the terms of service for ECD teachers in Kisii County from contract basis to permanent and pensionable terms. Indeed, this is a new chapter aimed at improving services and performance in the early years education sector. Just as I promised in my manifesto, I take this opportunity to thank our teachers for remaining patient and sticking to the cause over the years. Since 2013, all our ECD teachers have been serving on contract, and it has been my desire that the teachers be absorbed on permanent terms and of employment so as to remunerate them in a better way. But there has been a delay since 2022 August, when I came into the office. The delay was because of absence of the County Public Service Board in the better part of 2023. The new board was sworn in last year. I directed them to move with speed and consider the conversion of terms of service for ECD teachers to permanent terms by end of this month, January 2024. Is it the end of the month? Are we there? Thank you. And following the due process by the board, today, 714 teachers are receiving their appointment letters out of the 954 advertised slots. I'm happy, and I'll explain each of every group that is out of the 954. I'm happy to announce that depending on the academic qualification, it's important to you to observe this. The teachers have been observed at favorable job groups with a salary range of between 26,000 to 39,950 per month. Walimu hoye! Okay. This, I know people, you have been struggling. Yeah, now we are there. I can assure you, Mkomolika Tole. Allow me to continue. This has effectively enhanced the enumeration of ECD teachers threefold from the current rate of 12,000 per month. Poleni najua mmekaa hapo sana, but indeed we have moved now. Yes. Besides an assured pension, ECD teachers will henceforth qualify various financial products with the banks and other financial institutions. To help and tune our teachers to their new terms of service, from Thursday, our ECD teachers will embark on an induction course at the Kisii ATCs, that's their graduate training center. Therefore, immediately you will be announced on the program on the induction. The induction will take place to make sure you have gotten the best basics of getting into back to school. The induction, which is also a training program for competence-based program, CBC, is being sponsored by the County Pension Fund, that's CPF. I want to thank CPF for initiative, and I also welcome other sponsors willing to support the noble venture. CPF, congratulations. Hawa ngwana, hamwezi pigia wa makofi? Hawa ngwana immediately have to think through the box. Na wamekubali kwamba they sponsor the induction. In the induction they have said, you'll be trained, you'll have breakfast, tea, you'll have lunch, and no. Not necessarily supper, but they'll make sure you have gotten fare going home. CBF, thank you, congratulations. And I've seen other pension. Sasa ninyi, fikiria, ni nini mtazafanya. Lakini already these guys are ahead of you. Congratulations. I think you're good partners. Thank you. You have been helping us in a small way, and we appreciate it. But for CPF, congratulations. Here is your floor. Kwa hivyo endelea kusabu hapo. Sio itakuwa mzuri? Kule wakunywe waende nyumbani, ama vipi? Ndio. Haya. It is important to know that those teachers who are over 50 years could not meet the criteria for absorption into permanent and pensionable terms, but all is not lost. I'll give direction what to be done. Kwa hivyo wale mko miaka 50 kuelekea juu, hata mimi in another 10 years I know I'll be there. Tutahakikisha kwamba kwa hiyo miaka 10 mko kazi, mtafurahia kuwa kazini. Sawa sawa? Nitapeana direction hapo. Already organizing their commitment in service delivery at centers, I hereby ask the Public Service Board to consider retaining 50 years and above on contract terms on renewable basis. Kwa hivyo hata hawa wako kwa contract, lazima you must consider them as a board. Kwa hizo terms and conditions za hao wengine. Sasa sababu wamefundisha, sasa miaka imefika, what do? We must be able to accept it. Kwa hivyo chairman, with your team, kindly look into the issue, confirm these guys on the contract, and you're twende mbele. Sasa ama ampendi hiyo. Otherwise unajua TSC ikifika 45 hakuna, is it 47 or 45? Hakuna employment. Sisi tumeamua kwamba lazima mkue kwa hiyo contract na you get the same terms za hao wengine. Imperatively, we are doing this because part in the development of our children, both psychological and academic and social. We purpose to also make sure that the learning environment in our centers is maintained to proper standards and turn them into center of excellence. I did promise at the time of campaign, and I'm gearing towards it to make sure those centers, they are center of excellence. We have a population of over 70,200 ECT learners admitted in 703 centers. We have already embarked on the construction of modern ECD classrooms throughout the county, Nabaid, to establish modernized centers. I did mention when the president was around that we have done very well. There are more classrooms again we are doing to meet the needs of our society. We're going to put more money in the construction of those classrooms. It will not be business as usual. Walikuwa wamefanya sijui ni 80 something, and I want to repeat, we have committed 127 ECD classrooms. Yule ananiuliza ziko wapi? I'll show you. Mahali ziko kama unataka kuona. Lakini as long as you bear the cost of moving and you don't do it. Kwa hivyo niko prepared kuonyesha. Like in Magenje, is MCA Magenje here? Magenje has six classrooms in one ward. You go to Moticho, 4. Already those are 10. That's what nataka tena tukwambie nini? There are so many. Kuna watu ambao hawezi tosheka, hata tuoshe wao, tuvalishe wao nguo, tuwaimbie wimbo wa kulala lullaby, then tuwafunike wakiamka. Mnajua, our focus is to improve the facilities into all-round state of the ECD or at ECD centers, equipped with teaching aids, TV sets, play equipment, napping areas, amenities required in children development or in a child development, including a sustainable nutrition program. My good people, allow me to say this before I come to an end. wish to once more thank our ECD teachers for standing with us and remaining on duty under difficult circumstances for the sake of our children. I also thank the County Public Service Board for working within speed in implementing the transition of ECD teachers from contract to permanent and pensionable terms. Chairman, with your team, I want to thank you. But allow me to just break down how this exercise was carried out. We had 1,260 applicants. All people applied for this job. 783 were shortlisted out of the 1,260. 158, they are the people to be considered, or they are the teachers to be considered for contract, and they will be enhanced terms as soon as possible, Chairman. 15, this is a case, all they are candidates for ESCC. These are candidates who should face ESCC, because majority of these people, they are those people who cannot, hawaoni, hawasikii, hawataki kufuata sheria. Wengi wako na makaratasi ya uongo. Their files have been forwarded, I'm happy, to the ESCC officers. Kama wamekula mshahara ya uongo, lazima watatapika. Kwa sababu, what kind of a society are we going to lead when every person wants to lie, even to the smallest unit ya kudevelop our children? Mtu hajaenda shule ya ECD, mtu hakumaliza form 4 lakini ni mwalimu. How? Therefore, for the 15, you'll have agencies. Mkae huko, mwambiwe mrudishe pesa. Hiyo ukora, unajua wao ndio wanapiganga tena kelele nyingi sana. Because hata akili haiwezi fanya nini? Sikia ile ongelewa. Kwa hivyo kama huko kwa hiyo team, hata nasikia wengine they were trying to lie, falsifying document with the help of our officers. One of the officers hapo kwa hiyo office. Na nimesema, Chairman, huyo mtu lazima aadhibiwe mara moja. Huyo alikuwa na falsify document kwa hiyo office. But I'm happy, you guys, you are vigilant, that we have gotten a clean team to play this game. Walezi, congratulations. 54 passed, but with pending issues of personal number. Na nimesema kwamba it must be fast track. The 54 lazima wapate personal numbers, waingie kwa payroll. Si ndio? That team, hiyo yote lazima twende mbele. 265 wa external. Kuna wengine walisikia hii mambo ya internal, they applied. Now we were translating these people from what? It was transition from contract to permanent. Kwa hivyo wale ndugu zetu, najua tuko na walimu wengi wale ambao mliapply, tutatangaza hivi karibuni, kwa sababu we have more schools without teachers. We will observe them. Kwa hivyo msife moyo, the 265 will be considered. The good thing you have come forth, tutajaribu vile vya kwenda mbele. Mwisho, I want to reiterate what the chairman said, that now, unajua kuna ile harakati mlikuwa nazo nyingi, haukuwa permanent and pensionable. Sasa you are permanent and pensionable, na sasa wewe lazima you will be transferred. Usidhanie kwamba utakaa kwako unaamka. Sasa tumeongeza wewe pesa. Kwa hiyo mambo ya transport haitakuwa na shida. Ni sawa. Sio 1,000, sio 2,000, tumeongeza wewe pesa mzuri. Kwa hivyo you will be transferred But again, the board with my team, lazima you will be able to consider so many things in transferring these people. Wengine ni wale mmezoea tina ya nyumbani, mnapigana na wazazi. Lazima tuwasaidie na nyinyi mkue kama wafanyakazi. Uzuri mnafanya katika Kisii wote county. Kwa hivyo you'll be transferable. Kwa sababu sasa mmeingia. Mjue kwamba nyinyi sasa ni wafanyakazi wa serikali. Hakuna mchezo. Na ile vitisho ndogo ndogo wakati hakuna mshahara, relax. Mpaka sasa hakuna mtu ambaye hata wale nyinyi wakati nilisema contract lazima tuta extend, nilihakisha kwamba mmelipwa mshahara wenu hata kama ni 12,000. Si ndio? Kwa hivyo mimi nasema na kutenda. Mimi mkihakisha hivi na waka. Na hivyo hiyo maneno inakuwa hivyo. But I want to recognize 3 people here. I'm told there is a lady who excited the board. And this lady, she has a master's degree. This lady, last year, she emerged to be the best. Yeye ndiye nyote ni wazuri, lakini among the best, kuna yule lazima atangulie. Where is this lady called Jacqueline Moran? Wewe ngojea, wacha nipe huyu mama shilingi 10,000. Naona huyu mwalimu ako na furaha nyingi. And I'm told she did very well, chairman. Alifanya kazi nzuri. Na she has masters. Alafu wewe huko, like I can see very young teachers here. You don't want imefika ati watoto wamezuia wewe. This lady has been able to go through. Fuata yeye. Huyu she'll be among those people who are going to earn the highest salary, I'm sure. Sasa mwalimu. Thank you. That's Jacqueline. There is another lady. Hebu kuja. Oh. Okay. There is another lady who has also masters. She also impressed the panelists. She's called Wilkista again Murad. Mtu mbona awekee yeye mziki? Huyu mama pia hawa watu wacha kuleta mchezo kwa kazi. Wacha kuleta mchezo kwa kazi. Okay, mama. Thank you. Kazi nzuri. She has masters in Ecde. Alafu wengine mko hapa, I can see very young teachers here. Wewe hakisha umetia bidii. Hiyo si changamoto mzuri? Ama kuna mtu aigwete ndamu ga? The third person comes from Nyakembene. You know what happened in Nyakembene? This gentleman, mnisikize mzuri, this gentleman nasikia alikuja siku ya kwanza akiwa mlevi chakali. He did not even come with a document. Therefore, the board sent him away. They chased him away. But after being chased away, I hope he's not going back to again drinking. This gentleman, I'm told he came back. Since then, amegeuka, ameacha pombe na ameacha pombe na this gentleman na anaenda kubatizwa. Si hiyo ni mzuri? Huyu mbona anaitwa H.E Arati. Karibu kuja hapa. Sikiza, hamjasikia Oroni. Oroni, actually it happens that Oroni, you know, Oroni is my grandfather's name. But huyu mungwana hata bibi alikuwa ametoroka, lakini amerudi. Mr. Oroni, watu wa Nyakembe wanataka wewe, sasa wewe mtataka unabatizwa. Next week unabatizwa. Anasema next week wapi? Yeah? Oh, he's an SDA. He's only baptized. Kuna stress, waambie watu wa Nyakembe na wapenda, kando na ile fujo watu walifanya. Wapo watu wa Nyakembe ni watu wangu, tutaendelea kufanya kazi. Wewe wacha nikunulie gown ya kwenda kubatizwa, si ndio? Yeah. Haya, mwalimu. Unasomesha wapi? Mstari, unasomesha shule gani? Nyakoreni, uko somo Muganga? Okay. Sasa. Haya bwana. Thank you. Pastor Kiage yuko hapa, unajua tungempea the president of SDA. He wants to come to see me. Sio kama yuko hapa. Ningepea yeye watu ambao wanataka kwenda kubatizwa. Ni wangapi walevi hapa? Wale walevi tuwasaidie. Alafu chairman with your team, minister, hakikisha we understand the issues of the teachers from end to end, the stress they are going through, so that we can be able to be partners in this course. Amavik, we will do that. Periodically, Walim, periodically, I'll be meeting with you at the sub-counties. We have to agree, because our generation, the Kisii community, we must prepare it for the future, because now what remains, we don't have land. The only land which is remaining ni gani? Ni akili, na nyinyi mtatusaidia. I'll do everything. I'll ask our partners, let it not be a one-off thing. Tafadhali, tutafute pesa kidogo tuhakikisha hao wanafunzi wamepeana the best to our children. Ama vipi? siasa kando, tuachane mambo ya siasa, lakini tuhakikishe kwamba jamii in another 10-20 years to come will have the best brains as it was in this county. Kwa hivyo nataka niwaulize kiroho safi, walimu, mimi leo nilikuwa napeana drugs hapa. I flagged off mambo ya madawa. Watu wanasema hakuna dawa hospitalini, hata wengine mkienda ampati dawa, si ndio? Lakini leo nimehakikisha kwamba kuna dawa, nimepeana dawa ya milioni 6.2 to our all facilities. Shida imekuwa ni wizi wa dawa. Tunapeana dawa zinaibiwa. Hata leo hii ninapoongea baada ya kupeana, ninajua wale wezi sugu hawawezi sikia. You can imagine, tulikuwa tunapeana nets hizi za mosquito. Mtu mmoja kutoka South alipa 98 na kuiba 98 days ziko na neti 3,960 3,960 nets. Alafu huyo mtu ametoroka. Sasa anaambiwa kwamba tutalinda wewe. Hakuna, sisi ndio serikali. Mtu anawaambia ati yeye ndio serikali, atalinda yeye. Where was he taking business? Hata kama wewe ni mtu wa serikali, serikali gani hii? Hiyo polisi lazima itaisha. Hiyo ni sasa program. Mtu mwingine akaiba 82 babies za nets, 3,000 around 400 nets. Saved. Hizi za Nyaribari Masaba zimekamatwa, ziko Nyangusu police station. Hii ya South Murang'a is on the run. Eti kwa sababu anajuana na mwanasiasa. Tafadhali, what do you want us to do if we can't help the society? Nyinyi ndio taa, mimi nimehakisha taa zenu sasa. Nataka muhakikishe kwamba tumesaidia jamii yetu. That's my humble request. For the MCAs, na washukuru kwa sababu ya fedha mlinipea katika budget. Katika budget ambao sasa hawa walimu wataanza kulipwa mshahara yao. Kwa hivyo nashukuru sana, asanteni. Mheshimiwa Paul Okombo, mahali tulipiwa risasi kule South Mugrango, amefika. Mheshimiwa Paul Okombo wa Boikani. Nataka nimalize kwa kusema nione kama mko na furaha. Walimu mko na furaha?
Only the voice of the women.
There are many. Wacha nisikie wanaume wako hapa. Nimeona mama hapa akipiga picha. Walimu, are you there? Mko tayari? Tutatembea pamoja? I'm ready to meet your needs. The only need I want from you guys, serve the children. Sawa? Tafadhali, if there is a problem, you get back to us. Ukipata kuna shida kubwa, huwezi pata waziri, huwezi pata director, mimi niko ofisi hii. I'm free. I'll meet you. We'll discuss the issues of our children. Nikubalie niongee Kikusi dakika moja. Si ndio? Lakini kabla sijaongea Kikisi, I want to confirm to you, all teachers on permanent and pensionable, your term starts tomorrow with immediate effect. wameketi hawafurahia ama vipi? Hebu weka hiyo mziki mara moja nione. Haya. Moko nganjira nkwaneke gusi. Abalimu mkonyo mwalire mono. Korwa manyanga kena ingo mujumbe Dagoret. Abalimu bande ba enkonyo na bante bimechando yabo. Tinabwate nguru. Lakini Nyasaye aganja mukanga chinguru echi. Na lero ntegeto tebanga congratulations ekera mwanyolire terms kire permanent and pensionable abalimu bonds. At least nenu na moko gora no ene chae asimoza. Tigante beke kusin na liba toligere TV all over mamenga umushahara ino orule kiri buyi komnaibere mpaka olio insepia agoja kwanza konyore 26,000 wiko 29,000 na limuranya ale kuru no ene sadake kanisa Talimo abali mu mwanje tutaramu Mokwera na maega kumureka mure aya ntagete mumureke muokita aya chia abana baito abana bake na natebirenga abali bali bande ba apply ngoja ko karatwaro situesa cheisanire ki ebiras kare skuru ntitabati abali na and togende through exercise kyo recruit the new teachers. I hope tigamboli onde naro sabuli yake onde tayo sabuli yake lakini mima yatenga liliekero mwali getu mwasa betu amhaki aya tigante beiga malaika tayara ruigo racho kotokonya mintu tweka turanya leo kolega asie no ena mangana yobo kurumi amangana yobo ibi mintu turanya teneni onde tayo wocha tokonya mintu turanya rekubeka element ya sabana baito na togokina egesa kukebe moyo etogo some abana baito ka na inche Nyasaye kambe getoro ese miaka 10 muwanja boyo ese miaka 10 nkome kinde shua egesa kerokyo kiremuti yaito na kirike gotoka rasma na intwe turabe bose tuoke kenyeye na ensengima na yarenge okuna kogo sabakwane akimokonya abana bari nkorosinde ebirasibiri na promise it nintegeto umwana agoche kirasimi biatereligwa mwabichenchie depas byanywa mabere byarara DJ abali mwase mugotara irole Bose no bongo wa okolia tachana maringo Oyo anaine bono Mondo ewe omari me kitatu de kram tu ama. Tiga mongan jeren tigere ga guna dio buan sota ere mo wancha boigo na bora nyole mogo ke tara kiningo ke te mono nchego ikirania ere aba DJ will continue. Now, I'll ask the chairman, symbolically ngen na nama rube no ani komi, said that Valivande mogendre koenan. I want to thank KCB Bank. I'm told you gave us soda. Hawa watu watakunywa soda, wale ambao KCB, thank you, madam. Bia mono. Equity kwa amukuleta kitu. Mbeleta maji iko hata mkate amukuleta, alafu Absa Bank naiona hapa amukuleta kitu. Okay, naambiwa lab fund kuna soda mbeleta, thank you. Hao wengine CBF, I can see, I know mta facilitate maji iko na mambo nyingine. Kwa hivyo allow me symbolically, I want to give around 10. Hiyo kazi nyingine iendelee, si ndivyo? Thank you, God bless you guys, and I love you guys. Nawapenda sana. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Now you will come in this order without wasting time. I want the following to come on cue. Evening Mokele Nyabuto, followed by Timothy Osoro Kiondi, Kalista Nyanduko Magembe, Felix Kemunto Mbasa, Nancy Nyasani Kemunto, Lilian Kerubomweri, Lista Barongo Nyangondi, Douglas Mogeremi Sioka, Timothy Kemunto Ragira, and Sheila Kemunto Omundi.
Hao tunaanza na hao wale wengine mtaitwa, si unawapea barua na wanaenda nyumbani. Yes, kila mtu atachukua barua yake, lakini hawa wakuja hapa. Evelyn anakuja, wengine simama hapo. Evelyn akuja. This is Evelyn. Hey, barua. Haya, sikiza. Wacha nisome, mnataka kusikia ya Evelyn? Dear Evelyn, PF number, offer of appointment. This is to convey the decision of the County Public Service Board, Kisii County, where this letter, reference number this, dated 26th January, that you be appointed to the post of Earlier Child Development Education, ECD, teachers with effect from 1st February 2024 on the following terms. Therefore, you have been given all those terms, job group na kila kitu. Na pesa. Unataka nisome kila kitu? Hapana, hii ni siri ya kila mtu. Relax. Hii ni siri ya kila mtu. Reporting. Sasa sikiza, it's like TSC imepewa barua. Reporting. You will be employed as an ACD teacher. Job group this, whose specific job description is then outlined entirely under clause 3 and as will be given on reporting. I read something else, that is position. You will be reporting to the sub-county coordinator for ECD as your immediate supervisor for deployment. Of course deployment unajua mahali huko, si ndio? Kwa hivyo Madam Evelyn Mukia Nyabuto, who is, shika hii barua, onyesha pande hiyo.
Timothy Osoro Kiondi.
Ya Timothy. Wewe na Oroni si mnafanana? Wewe tu ni vile una alama, si wanavalia the same. Yes, this Kiondi, also the same letter. Karibu.
Kalista Nyanduko Magembe.
Kalista. Unafundisha wapi Kalista? Unafundisha wapi? Wapi? Nyangiti. Nyangiti ni hapo nyumbani kwetu. Ah, okay. Sasa barua ndio hiyo for Kalista. Congratulations. Thank you.
Phyllis Kemunto Mbasa.
Phyllis. Phyllis. Barua ndio hii. Congratulations. Haya, karibu.
Nancy Nyasani Kemunto.
Nancy, na usome. Umeona wengine kina mama wazee wako mpaka na masters.
Lilian Kerubo Omweri.
Lilian, hata wewe kwenda shule. Sasa, karibu.
Lista Barongo Nyangondi.
Lista Barongo, endelea na masomo pia sifundisha. Sasa karibu.
Douglas Mogere Misoka.
Douglas barua ndio hiyo. Smile. Unaonekana kutoka kule, you are very serious.
Timitila Kemunto Ragia.
Timitila, don't be serious. Smile now. This is the time to smile. Thank you.
Sheila Kemunto Mundi.
Sheila.
And lastly,
Karibu.
Phoebe Biyaki Motegi.
Phoebe.
Mama Kumbali, for Your Excellency. Ah, she's coming.
Phoebe, sasa utazunguka mpaka huko. Haya, wacha akuje. Wacha akuje. Na hii barua enda laminate, uiweke mzuri. Usiache inaruliwa na mtoto, because you will be required one day. Yeah, nayo. Okay. Haya, announcement. Tusikizane. Ukitoka hapa, ukipewa barua, unateremka hapo chini kwa Ecde, unaonyesha, unapewa kitu yako, kama ni maji, kama ni soda, kama is anything. Barua yako itapewa wewe soda na kila kitu hapo chini. Sawa sawa. Kwa sababu kuna mwalimu, unaona huyu mwalimu amevalia kofia, huyu sio mwalimu, lakini unaona yuko katikati. Ataki. Kwa hivyo tutahitaji kila mwalimu ukiteremka chini unaonyesha barua yako. Sawa sawa? Yeah. You are a young person. Soma. Sasa. Angalia pande hiyo. Haya. Sasa. I think that's all. Mtakuwa tu namna hiyo. Kwa hivyo I hope it will go very fast. Do you have only one center? Oh, you create so many. Kwa hivyo they create so many centers here for purpose of issuance of these letters. Asanteni, Mungu awabariki. Thank you.
DJ. Now, teachers, habari